Hi, my name is Rafael Montanez. I am the application specialist for FARO Technologies, currently documenting a mock traffic scene. In this case, we have a vehicle running over a pedestrian on a bicycle. And normally, if you're scanning with the FARO Focus, you can do quick scans, 57 seconds, a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes. It allows you to capture accurate data. It allows you to document that scene quickly and efficiently, opening up the roadways that much faster. Now, I'm also going to be using our flash technology. This allows me to mount a camera to the top of the scanner, and using our flash technology, which is a combination of photogrammetry and LiDAR, it allows us to do colorized scans without losing quality and/or accuracy, and each position can be as little as just 28 seconds. So that allows us to speed up that collection even more, again, even eventually allowing us to open up the roadways that much faster. It is a very simple process and workflow. All you have to do is position the scanner where you want to capture the data, and using the mobile app called FARO Stream, it allows you to visualize these scans merging and aligning in real time. So if for whatever reason that doesn't happen, the operator can eventually see it and can make those adjustments on the fly. The data has also been accepted and proven in court. The combination of the scan data with our FARO Zone 3D software, it allows us to not only reconstruct the scene, maybe create a 2D or a 3D representation of the incident, but we can also do skid analysis, momentum analysis, critical speed, just to name a few. It's also an application and hardware agnostic software, so we can combine it with other tools like drones, EDR data, etc. So FARO does offer a full solution when it comes to crash reconstruction and documentation. And that, in a nutshell, is our FARO Focus, our flash technology, and how quickly and how easily it can document a crash scene. So now let's go ahead and take a look at that data captured from the scanner.